Hi Science2 kiddos, this video is for anyone who does not have an outdoor space to do a throwing exercise in. I'll talk about how you can do this indoors. I apologize for the background noise. My daughter is here watching Masha and the Bear, which is, if you haven't checked that show out, you should check it out. It'll knock your socks off. So as usual with throwing exercise, you want to make sure you kind of stretch your arm out a little bit, rotate it around, get it loose. If any part of your arm hurts at any time, stop, rest. You do not have to do this all the way to completion if you don't feel up to it. You want to make sure that you've got some kind of larger room or longer hallway where you can throw some light projectiles. Please make sure that you're not in danger of hitting someone, hitting a pet, knocking something over that's valuable in your house, or breaking something. The best way to prevent that from happening is to use a projectile that's soft enough. So I have these like little kind of toy basketballs that are made out of foam. A lot of like those squeeze stress balls are made out of this. Those are good. Even something like a sponge from underneath the kitchen sink, if you can get 3 of them, that's great. Or honestly, if you've got Ziploc bags, you can make something of your own. You can put trash bags inside a Ziploc bag or beans or something that makes it much more manageable. So you just need 3 of whatever projectile you're going to be using. So for example, I'll use 3 sponges here. You want to take a seat in a chair. Make sure that the area in front of you is clear. And again, all we're doing is altering our angle of throw, right? We're throwing at 15 degrees, 45 degrees, and 75 degrees. And so you want to be throwing with the same amount of force each time. Now the exercise I base this off of says to throw it as hard as you can. Being inside, I wouldn't recommend that. I would just try to be consistent with how much force you put on it. So, but then what you want to do is with each throw, you want to watch how far the projectile makes it when it lands, because the goal is to see which one goes the farthest, right? This is how far can you throw. So throw at about 15 degrees, 45 degrees, 75 degrees. And again, when you're 75 degrees, be aware of the ceiling above you as well. And again, that's going to determine how much strength you put on it. And again, you want to watch which one made it the farthest. Now, you only have to record 1 round of that, but obviously this is a scientific experiment, so I would like you to do it at least 3 times and observe again which angle gives you the most horizontal distance. Thanks.